Music, color, sky-high palm trees, luscious tropical fruit, gardenia-laced sea breezes, and warm smiles. The tangible features Cuba is famous for will delight visitors. But it is the intangibles that will fascinate: history, culture, and Cuban hospitality. For the curious and intrigued, here's what Cuba is famous for. Beaches with over 3,500 miles of coastline bordered by the Atlantic on the north and the Caribbean on the south, Cuban beaches are legendary. The sand on Cuban beaches ranges from brilliantly white to honey beige to volcanic black. Yet, the water is always clear and inviting. From that day on October 28 in 1492, when Christopher Columbus first landed on a Cuban beach and declared, "This is the most beautiful land human eyes have ever beheld," Cuban beaches remain outstanding in their beauty. Number 2. Fascinating architecture. The Spanish explorers brought many cultural aspects with them to Cuba. The architecture was just one of them. Much of the architecture you see in Cuba today is a combination of styles. One of the most popular is Baroque, of which the Cathedral of Habana, completed in 1777, is a prime example. Other common architecture styles include the Moorish-inspired arches, popular in Spain for centuries before the Spanish arrival in Cuba. This style is most commonly found in Cuba's arched walkways created to protect residents from the tropical sun and rain showers. Neoclassical architectural styles became popular with the arrival of French colonists who came in successive waves of immigration, bringing with them the styles popular in France at the time. France was again influential in Cuba's architecture with the development of the Art Deco style so evident in many of Havana's buildings today. A beautiful example of Art Deco is the Bacardi building in Havana. More recent pre-revolution architectural styles were influenced by the United States during the period between Cuban independence in 1898 and the start of the Cuban Revolution in 1959. Of course, the prime example of this is the Capitol building in Havana, greatly influenced by the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. Number 3. Rum is to Cuba what sake is to Japan or champagne is to France. It is much more than a popular Cuban spirit. It is part of the nation's cultural identity and runs through the veins of Cuba's history and economy. Cuban rum is made from molasses derived from sugar cane, a lifeblood of the Cuban economy since its introduction to the island by the Spanish. Rum production caused the Spaniards to import enslaved Africans to work the sugarcane fields where the average life expectancy of a slave was 27 years. This dramatically changed the social, racial and cultural makeup of the Cuban people. Rum was, and is, big business in Cuba. Continued refinement of the rum production process, dedicated nurturing and favorable atmospheric conditions made Cuban rum arguably the best in the world. Number 4. Cuban cocktails. All 4 Cuban cocktails that circle the globe have rum as the main ingredient. These 4 cocktails are the mojito, the daiquiri, the Cuba Libre and the canchanchura. Though they have been popular for centuries, their fame has only grown in recent decades. 2 of these drinks, the mojito and the canchanchura, were originally medicinal brews used to cure ailments from colds to fevers. The Canchanchara, a rum, honey and lime concoction made popular in the central Cuban city of Trinidad, was standard medicine for soldiers in many Cuban wars. Even if these drinks didn't cure you, you felt better anyway. Number 5. Music. For a relatively small country with an 11 million population, Cuba has always punched far above its weight in the realm of the arts, particularly in music. Music genres invented in Cuba include the son cubano, a mix of Spanish and African influences. Other genres are rumba, bolero, nueva trova, timba and others. The popular salsa descends from the son cubano but borrowed heavily from other Caribbean islands. Cuban musicians are famous worldwide, and songs penned by Cuban composers are played universally. Number 6. Cigars. Who hasn't heard of Cuban cigars? The classic cigars come from a stretch of land in Cuba's westernmost province of Pinar del Rio called Vuelta Abajo. Great atmospheric conditions in Vuelta Abajo made for excellent cigars, believed to be the best in the world. This part of Cuba is also one of the most beautiful, especially the lush green valley of Vinales. Number 7. Classic American cars. Due to the break in diplomatic relations between Cuba and the US in the early 1960s, there have been no new car imports into Cuba from the US. The American cars you see in the streets of Cuba are re-engineered and repaired many times over. What is Cuba famous for? The more beautiful cars serve as period vehicles to transport tourists around town in vintage style. The ugly ducklings that can still perform are used as route taxis. These cars have now passed on to become iconic symbols of contemporary Cuban tourism. The Cuban UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Cuba has 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each one unique, remarkable and beautiful. Alejandro de Humboldt National Park, named after a German scientist who visited and worked in Cuba in the early 1800s. Archaeological landscape of the first coffee plantation in southeastern Cuba. Old Havana and its fortifications. Havana was the most important economic center of the Spanish Empire in the Americas for a long time and, as such, had to be protected from competitors and pirates. The UNESCO site includes over 18 imposing fortifications along Havana's coast and harbor. San Pedro de la Roca Castle in Santiago de Cuba. This massive structure is considered the finest example of Spanish colonial military fortifications in the Americas. City center of Cienfuegos, this graceful square with its French-influenced architecture. City center of Camagüey, City of Churches. Valley of the Sugar Mills. Beautiful, picturesque Trinidad, in central Cuba, is a remarkably well-preserved colonial city. Valley of Vinales, perhaps one of the most naturally beautiful locations on earth. This is where the world-famous tobacco is produced. Desambaco del Granma National Park, overlooking the ocean from dramatic cliffs. This park is famous for its biodiversity. Number 9. Unique flora and fauna. Cuba is home to many unique species of animals and plants. Cuba has over 100 species of palm trees, 90 of which are native and one of which, the royal palm, is a national symbol. Cuba has over 350 bird species, 24 of which are indigenous. As such, it is a bird watcher's paradise. Of Cuba's 121 reptile species, 103 are native to Cuba. Number 10. The people. Finally, Cuba's major claim to fame is its friendly, welcoming people.